Hello, my name is Matt.
And I'm Jake. We're with Aginova Inc.
And in this video, we're going to cover some of the most frequently asked questions and common problems people encounter when they're first using iCelsius wireless. Jake here is going to ask the questions.
And Matt will be providing the answers. So I will start things off. First question is, I can't seem to get my iCelsius wireless to do anything. What do I need to do?
First thing I would try, Jake, is make sure that you have a good charge on that. Take the included micro USB cable and plug one end of it into any USB charger, the other end into the iCelsius wireless. If you see a red blinking light under the battery status indicator, that's a dead giveaway that that battery is completely depleted. Go ahead and let it charge for a while. If you want to accomplish a full charge, wait until the battery status LED achieves a solid green color.
Okay, great. And so my unit is fully charged, but I still can't get anything to happen when I press the buttons.
More than likely, Jake, you're just pressing the buttons a little too tenderly. Go ahead and give it a good solid push so you can completely depress the button. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. It can withstand a good solid squeezing.
Okay. Well, I'm connected to the iCelsius SSID, but I do not see it in the app.
First thing you want to do, Jake, is make sure that the probe is properly connected. If the probe isn't properly connected, you're not going to see any data in the app. If after checking that you still do not see any data from it in the app, back out of the app, go into your network settings, and make sure you are still connected to the iCelsius SSID.
Okay. My unit works fine in direct mode, but I can't seem to maintain a connection when I switch it to local Wi-Fi mode.
Well, one thing you want to do is check what sample rate you're using when you're switching to local Wi-Fi mode. We find we encounter some connectivity problems if you use a sample rate of 10 seconds or greater. To maintain the most consistent connection, use a sample rate of 15 seconds or greater when configuring to local Wi-Fi mode.
Okay. I'm using the iCelsius wireless with ambient temperature and humidity. In direct mode, the temperature always seems to report a few degrees warmer than it actually is. What's going on?
In direct mode, the radio is always going, and this heat is heating up the electronics, which is heating up the temperature sensor. So the best way to combat this is to switch the unit over to a local Wi-Fi or remote mode, and make sure you're sampling no faster than once per minute.
Okay. I'm not sure that my barbecue or probe is giving me a proper reading. How can I be sure that it is?
The best way to check this is to test it on a known temperature. Easiest way, get yourself a glass of ice water. Put the probe in the glass of ice water, let it set for a few minutes with occasional stirring. Come back and check the data, and you should see something close to either 0°C or 32 Fahrenheit. If after testing you feel that the temperature is too far away for your liking, to go ahead and contact us at support, and we'll be glad to help you. So that's all for video 1 of the series. Please stay tuned for video 2, and if you have any questions that we haven't addressed yet, feel free to comment below and let us know.
Thank you.